10, 10. If you are seeing this divine sign from the higher realm, this is your realm. This is direct confirmation that you will make it. Believe it no matter what it looks like right now. God is going to send blessings, solutions, healing, love and positive change your way. Amen. Type 1010 to claim. Vibe of the day. Confident people get their happiness from within. Listen more than they speak. Don't seek attention. Exercise are not afraid to be wrong. Celebrate other people. Are not afraid to ask for help. Type yes if you believe. When you see 1111, you are on the right path. When you see 222, expect abundance. When you see 1212, good vibes are close. When you see 1010, your spirit guides are near. When you see 333, good changes are coming. The universe is always speaking to us through numbers. Type yes if you believe in this, and also hit the like button, subscribe, God Manifest.